Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the wireless charging not working issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now here click on this restart icon again to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on device care and then click on battery. Now here scroll down and click on charging settings, and here you will see a fast wireless charging button. So turn on this button, and after turning on this button the wireless charging will start working properly. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.